Hi, welcome to an Autocad 2020 video tutorial. The next drawing exercise in my usual Autocad training would be Dichtung 3, that's 1.11. So I will do this exercise. So let's start with a circle, and the first circle should be located at 7.5 column minus 55, and the radius should be 9. Now I want to pattern this, so I go for an array, and I want to pattern this one. Right click, and I need 2 columns, and the distance between them should be minus 75. And I need 2 rows, and the distance in between should be 110, like this. Close that array. Now I need another circle, which is at 80 column 65, and the radius might be 20. Then another circle right there, and that radius should be 12. No, sorry, it should be 12, not 112, like this. Now I need a line which starts at 0 column minus 76, goes horizontal 76, goes vertical 76, and then Control right click, goes tangent to that circle. Enter. Repeat that line command, start at 0 column 76 and go Control right click, tangent to that circle. Now let's trim. Right click all, this should be removed. Right click, enter. Now I want to do a circular pattern, so go for polar array. Let's select these objects, and obviously I switched off the associativity of that pattern, but doesn't really matter. Let's deselect those two. Okay, right click, and the center should be 0, 0, and I need 2, and you see I switched off associativity. Now I switch it back on and close that array. Now for the center I need another circle, which is at minus 46 column 0, radius is 5. Repeat that command. Next one should be at 0 column 35, and the radius should be 26. Repeat that command. The next one should be at 7.5 column 0, and radius should be 18, like this. Now I need a line which starts right here, goes down 26, and then Control right click, goes tangent to that circle over here. Then I need another line, so repeat the command, which starts at 50 column 0, goes straight up 22.5, and then Control right click, goes tangent to that circle up here. Now I need a line to trim, so let's draw one right there. Go for trim, right click all, remove this one, this here, that one, this here, that one, and now go for erase, erase that line and enter. Enter. Let's go for a mirror. These objects, deselect these, right click, use this one as first point of the symmetry line and that as second point, and okay, I'm done with that contour. Now let's add some dimensions. So dimension, not the array but the arc here. Okay, and in order to go here, that would be the array, so that's 24, yes. This one is 18, that one is the same as up here, so next one would be this one, then that one here, and this one. So I think I've got all those. Let's go for some sort of center lines. Go for annotate, go for center line. So one would be array. Let's see if this works. Yep. And another one like this. Yeah, great. Now center mark here, one there, one here, here, there, and there. Add some dimensions. Let's start from this center. So I could go for the old ones because they're easier to do. So go from center to center. Repeat that command from center to this center. Sorry, didn't work. I want to snap onto this center to that center. Really? Sometimes it's really annoying. Okay, so I could do it with the old one as well. Go to center from this circle to right click center that circle. Really, you're kidding me? Okay, like this. Then this should be that line. Array doesn't really matter. Go here, 76, and from this center to that center it's 73.5. I've got this already, so let's go for linear. From this one to that point here, that's 60. From this point, linear to that center. That's really great. I should have done those center lines later on. This one, repeat. "76". Let's go from center to center like this. Then I would need from this center to that end point. Okay. Then from this one to right click center, that would be 9. I've got the 24, I've got the 18, yes, 26. I need the 65 here, yeah. So from the center here to that end point, seems I didn't get the center to that end point here. That's 65, the 55, and from this point to that center here. That's not good. That should be 22.5. So maybe I did something wrong or not. I'm not quite sure. Yeah, wrong. I should go from this point here to the center of that one, and that should be the 22.5. So I got this one. I think I've got all the dimensions. So I hope this was helpful. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a like or leave a comment. If you want to see more, please give it a like or leave a comment. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe to my Facebook fan page. It would be very nice of you. I want to get more likes and subscriptions over there as well. Thanks for watching. See you to the next one. Bye bye.